I'm Brandon with Quality Air Solutions, and we're here today to do air duct cleaning. I wanted to go through the process of air duct cleaning and explain some of the costs associated, so you as a homeowner were prepared to get a quality job done. This process should take 3 to 4 hours. Unless you're a non-profit organization, you can start to see that there's no way you could do this whole process for $89. As I remove this register, you can see the debris that's built up over time inside the air duct system. This isn't healthy for you or the system. Essentially, we turn these air ducts into a big vacuum cleaner. And that's what this vacuum does. This central vacuum provides suction for the system. And then we're going to use air tools to agitate and get everything airborne that we can to suck into this vacuum. These little tentacles actually spray out air, each one of them. And this will whip around in the ductwork, touching all the edges of the surface. You couple that with the vacuum, and the vacuum sucks up what it agitates. Go ahead and hit it, Tony. We just finished the supply side of the system, and you can see the debris in my hose. That's some of the air that was in the trunk line and what had settled in there. And you know, just because the customer doesn't see dirty air coming out of those registers all the time, it's because it's very fine and small. But you can see by my hands and the dirt that this is indeed in their air, and it's impeding their air quality tremendously. I've tightened up the branches and the return side. I take off the grills upstairs. I whip everything as far as I can reach down in the system. To get the remainder of it, some stuff gets hung up on screws, slips and drives to the system, so I'm just going through it again. I'm going through each branch again, driving it all down, tightening it up, driving it all down towards my vacuum to finish up. The reason we run the Beneffect is to kill any mold, bacteria, viruses that might be in the system. We wanted to do it on this job, just the accumulation of debris. It could host some of those nasties in it, and the Beneffect will take care of that.